Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's like a speeding car zooming past. When your body senses an irritant in the nose, it triggers a reflex, forcing air out with explosive speed. This is not just for show, it's your body's way of expelling unwanted particles. Interestingly, sneezing also helps distribute tiny droplets that contain antibodies and bacteria-fighting cells into the air. It's like sharing your immune system with everyone around you. And here's something funny. Some people even sneeze when they look at bright light. It's called photic sneeze reflex, an unusual but harmless quirk of genetics. So next time someone sneezes near you, remember they're not just making noise, they're on their own little health mission.